Hello, Namaskar. Myself Seema Kundhalkar. I am going to tell you how to create a quiz using PowerPoint presentation. Now over here, I have created a simple PowerPoint presentation where the third slide contains one question having four choices. Then next two are wrong and correct answer. Then next slide is again question number two. Again wrong and correct answer signs. I have used some clip arts over here to make it attractive. Now here, how to create a quiz using PowerPoint presentation that I am using hyperlink for this creating quiz. I'll select that particular answer and I will go to insert choice and I will select hyperlink over here. For this hyperlink, suppose this answer is not correct. Here the answer is all of above. So what I'll do, I'll select the wrong over here choice of after question 1 and I'll click on this. So here firstly I have created hyperlink from in this document, place in this document and I'll selected a slide of wrong. If you want to create external, you have to choose another web page link. But here I am selecting a page which is available or slide which is available within this presentation. I just press OK. Now similarly for second choice, again it is wrong. So you can use right click also to create hyperlink and I'll select question 1 wrong answer slide. Then third one again suppose I select and then hyperlink and the wrong answer over here. Second select wrong over here and the last one which is exactly correct answer all of above. Then I will select right click of it. I'll create hyperlink and I will select a correct answer slide from within this document and I'll click OK. So quiz I have created using hyperlinks. Again for second question, I'll go to second question and I'll select, suppose this is wrong answer, then I'll select this, right click, then hyperlink and for this I'll select wrong from second after question 2. Then this is the correct answer. So I'll select this, right click on this, I'll create hyperlink and here I'll select correct slide. Now for this, you can select this and you can have this hyperlink, any one of this and wrong choice. So like this, I have created this. Now for here, for next question also, I have created hyperlink for over here that is created, that is question 2. So from question 1, wrong and right having question 2 as a hyperlink. So next question is having hyperlink same as previous one. So I'm going to next question. So here I've created hyperlink to make a quiz. Now how to execute it? Just we'll start this execution from starting point. I'll execute it. Now this is simple quiz. Now here you can select any one. Now suppose I select this. It will give me, you should do all the things. So I have to go back over here and now suppose I select all of above. Now it will go to correct answer and I can go to next question. Now in next question again, this is wrong, this is correct and this is also wrong that I know. So suppose anyone select this, then you can take correct answer. Now over here to make more attractive to this for students, then what you can do over here, now see, now if there is a correct answer, now you have selected hyperlink, now you can go to action over here. Now hyperlink, it is correct. Now you can have play sound. Now I can select Apple's sound over here and similarly for this correct for this question also When there is a correct answer, then you can have action. Sorry, here we can put action. You can play sound, whichever you want. And for wrong answer also you can put different type of sounds over here to make it attractive. But it's better to have for right answer. Now again we'll execute it and we'll see what happens. Now suppose I show slides, then quiz. Now here suppose I press the sound also. Next question again. Suppose I select this, let's say wrong answer. Okay. And for this you can go to end of the session also. Thank you, slide. So here we ends how to create a quiz using PowerPoint presentation.